So I'm in this video we will show you how to do a tagging based quiz report on Moodle. So what you need to do is first find a directory, and this is the directory we can this is the plugin we can use. It's called configurable blocks or configurable report. Look for the latest version and download it. Go back to your Moodle, go to site administration, go to plugin, install plugin. So when you here choose the file, you can take you to your device, and from your device you can check for the plugins. I've already downloaded the plugin and here it is, so I can upload and install it. If you do not have, download it and install it. Okay. After installing, our plugin will be on our Moodle. For the courses we want our plugin to work, we will go and install the plugin. Okay, so one of my recent courses which I have seen is FBS1, and in FBS1 I want to have tagging based report on the quiz. So first we'll set up the plugin. Go in the edit mode. From your right bar, you can add a block. Know that configure block can be added on the right bar or on the home page. I have a advisor plugin installed, so you can see all these dynamic pages, and then you can also see Moodle block. Configurable report will be in Moodle block. Since I already have the report installed there, I believe that's why I'm not seeing it. And once you have added the block, like, your configurable report will be here. So either you can manage report by going here, where you can see all the reports you have created. If you want to add a new report, you can add a new report. So I have already created a report system which I'm going to call FBS tag report. Okay. To create FBS tag report, once you have installed the plugin, you can go to manage plugin or manage report, and you can create a custom SQL. Now I have generated this code using chat GTP, and you can download or copy this code from the details below, and then you save the changes. Once the changes are saved, you can go to view report and you'll be able to see a tag based quiz report on Moodle. Okay. So here my quiz name was tag testing quiz, and I had five tags in it: simple one tag, simple two tag, simple three tag, and simple four and simple five. Okay. The username was my mid school. That's my own name here. Now in this quiz we have four questions tagged to sample tag one, and student scored three correct out of that, and that allowed him to have 75%. And similarly we have other tags where students have scored different percentages on that. And this is how you can see tag based quiz. If you have any question or anything you want to ask more on it, you can post a question below, or if you want to generate any other report, you can actually go to manage report, and then you can add any kind of report you want. 0.01 Foundation of Basic Sciences. So what I've done in the quiz is I've created a quiz called testing tag testing quiz, and if you want to test it, let's go there. So in tag testing quiz I have questions.
I gave her name to the security. I said,
Whose name?
Dr. Oluwabusola.
All right, hey everybody. So I've been trying to get a tag based quiz report for Moodle, and this is how I have found we can do that. So I have this course called FBS1, or Foundation of Basic Sciences. We call it 0.1 or whatever name we have. In this, we have a quiz called Tag Testing Quiz. Some more internet bit slow. So let's see some questions in tag based quiz. So I have these sample questions. Let me edit the question. So for a question one, we have question text. We can put some feedback, which will be shown at the end of the question, then general ID, then question option choices, and I have put right answer. And then here are the tag. So I have tagged this question with sample tag 1, sample tag 2, sample tag 3, sample 3. So I put 5 tags on this one, and I'm going to save it. Similarly, I have put tags on all these questions in this particular quiz. Okay. Now I need certain plugin to be able to do that task. The plugin we are going to use is called configurable report. So you can go on Moodle plugin directly and look for the plugin, and you can download the latest version, which is 6 as of now. After you have downloaded the plugin, you can go to your site administration, go to plugin directory, go to plugin, and you can install the plugin. Since I have already installed, so I'll be just showing you how to get the plugin. Choose a file, choose a file, and this is my block configurable report, which is already there. So after I have installed it, I'll go back to the course where I need to have that certain report. Once you are on that page, choose the editing on and then go on the right sidebar block. When the reports are not available, this block will be empty and you can choose add a block and you'll be able to see the block. Now for me, I have Redmi plugin. Also I have Moodle block. So when you go in Moodle block, you should be able to see configurable report block. I believe that mine is already installed, so we don't see the report block anymore. So now we're going to go to report block. So you'll always see manage reports. So we're going to manage the reports. So as of now, I have one report which is FBS tag report, and we can already see that report is already the FBS tag report. Okay. In case you want to add a new report, you need to click a new report. Now the blog allows us, sorry, configurable block allows us to create reports in different type, and we can create SQL report, we can create course report, you can create category report, you can create timeline report, you can create user report. But here what we have done is create a SQL report. Okay. Report one, sample report. Okay. After choosing whatever option you want, you can add the report. Okay. So now I have a SQL report, but SQL reports also need SQL code. So I have this SQL code which I can show you here. You can find the same code in the description box.
Oh, you didn't move, Josie. Thank you. Very much appreciated.
This internet is really slow today.
I mean, you can't spend less than $15 on your card. You know that? You know? Hey. Raisin roll. What we used to call this in England? Chelsea one.
Now here,
Chelsea
this
one.
is my SQL code in already generated report. You see how the code looks. You can get in the entire code in the description below. So you have to copy that code and paste in the custom report code.
Sounds good.
Control L, Control C, and then you paste in them. Once you have that thing installed, you can save the changes. After saving the changes, you can go to view report, and ta-da! There you are, tag testing quiz, sample tag 1, sample tag 2. So you can see in different component of the quiz how much students, how many questions were there, and how many particular students have scored. Search by self is really easy. If you want to search one, it will search one. If you want to search two, it will put anything. So search are really fast in this one. If you want to create any other custom SQL, or you want to plot a graph, do a calculation, you can create all kind of report by using configurable block. In case you need the code, you can go in the description and paste the code, and you'll have your block report for yourself. And that will be all.